Alright, I'm going to show you how to make the best banana bread you've ever had. So, just start with 5 old frozen bananas from the freezer, and you gotta defrost those, toss them in the microwave. You can add one more banana if you really feel like it. Next, get a large mixing bowl and take those icky, sticky bananas and just kind of peel them into the bowl and just plop them in there and make it look like a little banana poop. Well, we're just going to keep peeling those sick looking things and let them dribble into the bowl there. They're not going to feel good and they're not going to look good, but they'll probably smell good. Just going to keep adding them one by one and they're going to be slimy. There we go. And next you're going to want to grab 3 eggs and just crack those bad boys right into the bowl. Yeah, no chickens are coming from these things. In you go, buds. We're going to make some banana bread. Great. Next, you want to get some premium vanilla extract and take 1 tablespoon of that and pop it right into the bowl. So we got money here, we can afford the real stuff. Then take a 1/4 cup of honey and add that to the bowl. It's going to make it real sweet and it's going to also crisp up the crust for us. Now, make sure you wash your hands because if you don't, your loved ones and everyone you know is going to catch coronavirus. So yeah, now you need about a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. So just toss that in like this. Now it's time to go full contact on these buddies. You're going to want to mash up those bananas, eggs, and everything else until it looks like something that comes out of your nose when you're sneezing. Or just like vomit when you're hungover. Really, it looks disgusting. Just mash up all those banana clumps, get them real small. I mean, I like it kind of clumpy. If you put 5 bananas, make it clumpy. Then you get chunks of banana with your bread. Mush it all up, looking good. Next, you're going to want to add a cup of flour. And make sure it's flour and not cocaine. Add the flour in, mix it all up to make it look less like vomit and more like vomit. Yeah, it's still looking like that. And you're just going to want to mix it in well to make sure there's no clumps of dry flour anywhere. And there you have it. Next, you're going to take some baking soda. 1 teaspoon will do, and this is going to help the banana bread rise while it's baking. And then we're going to take 1/2 teaspoon of salt to salt it up, because Salt Bae. And then another 1/2 cup of flour. Mix it all nice and well. Make sure it's no clumps are in there. Mixy. Now here's where we get real crazy. We're gonna add 1/3 of a cup of rolled oats to oat it up. We're gonna add 1/3 of a cup of shredded coconut to coconut it up, and then a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips because I love chocolate, and we're gonna add those chocolate chips because I'm like the cookie monster when it comes to that stuff. Mix it all together. We have unique items now in our banana bread. It's gonna define this banana bread, make it amazing. I forgot to add the butter. Don't forget to add the butter, please. 1/2 cup of butter. Toss that in. It will mix. Yeah, this is no problem that I added it in the last stage. So mix it all up and then add more chocolate because just a bit more chocolate maybe. You know, this is gonna make it chocolatey, and that's good. Great. Now turn on your oven to 350 or 375 in that range. Dust up your pan here. Spill it in the pan. Super easy. Make sure you get it all in there. Now we're gonna add some pizzazz and add some chocolate chips on top. Then we're gonna add some rolled oats on top as well to add some health and make it look healthy, so everyone will believe that it is. Now, if you actually want to eat this thing, you're gonna have to put it in the oven. So let's toss that in there for roughly 40 to 50 minutes because I have a lot of ingredients and it's really thick. This is what it's gonna look like afterwards. Now it's rising, it's looking nice. And it's done. That was quick. We're going to take that out, and bam, we got mouth-watering banana bread that's out of this world with coconut, oats, and chocolate chips. Just a few. It's only going to be about 10,000 calories. So there you go. Look at that. This really tasted amazing. The coconut's great. The oats add this oaty flavor, I guess, but it's very good, I gotta say. I hope you have a chance to make this banana bread and tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. Yummy. Thanks for cooking with Home Chef Adam. Let me know what you think about the video in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Cheers.